Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Anjali. Today I'll explain you how to save Matplotlib plots as PNG images in Python. These are the two methods that I'm going to explain to save Matplotlib plots as PNG images. First we'll see by using savefig function and how to save multiple plots as PNG in a loop. We'll start with first method, that is using savefig function. The savefig method in Matplotlib is used to programmatically save the current figure as an image file to your local system. To save the image in PNG format, simply specify a file name with the .png extension as the first argument of the function. It is used to programmatically save the current image which we will be having as an image file in our local system. To save image in PNG format, we'll have to specify file name with the .png extension as first argument. It sounds very simple and I'll explain this in an example. I've copy pasted the example for this method and I'll explain each line of this code. Initially, I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. This is the sample data of monthly sales in USA. These are months and these are the sales values. In months, we have taken Jan to June, and these are the sales values respectively to all these months. I hope you understood till here. We'll go to next line, that is PLT. While plotting, we are considering months and sales, and marker we are giving as O. This specifies the data point. I'll show you once I run this code, then you will understand better than explaining. In plt.title, we are writing monthly sales in USA in thousands. This will be the title of our image, and this is X label months and Y label sales. This is the basic representation of graph. This is how it looks with title X label and Y label. Now to save the plot as PNG file, we are just writing plt.savefig. This is the function that we are using, and I'm writing the name of the file, that it should be monthly sales.png, and to display the graph I'm writing show function. I'll run this code for the better understanding. You can see here, this is the output, and inside our file monthly sales png is this. This is our visual representation, and this has been saved inside our folder in local file with the same name. You can see here. Marker is equals to 0 is nothing but, you can see here, there are round shape data points. To define this shape, we have written marker as 0, and you can see this is the title which we have given inside title function, and this is Y label which we have given in Y label function, and in X label function we have written month that has been displayed here, and marker defines this circular shape, and this has been saved in our local system. I hope you understood how to save the plot as PNG. Now we'll go for second method, that is saving multiple plots as PNGs in a loop. To save multiple plots as PNGs in a loop in Matplotlib, we must ensure each plot is created in a new figure, saved with a unique file name and explicitly closed within a loop. As I said, to save Matplotlib in PNG in loop, you should ensure that plot is created in a new figure and saved with unique file name, and we need to explicitly close within a loop. Now in an example, I'll explain how to create new figure, save with unique file names, and how to close within a loop, all these things, so that you will understand better. This is our example where I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and PLT is the name that we will be going to use all over the code, and I'm also importing numpy as NP. We will see its use in further line of code. These are the daily temperature. City variable is containing the names of city. These three cities that I'm considering here. In the temperatures variable, I am taking in the dictionary form in keys New York, Chicago, name of the place I have taken, and in the values I have taken a list of temperatures, and in the days variable we have written 5 days for week. This is the date. Now we'll go for loop for city in cities is nothing but city will be containing the values of cities. This is the city's value that we have considered here. Here now city will be having New York, Chicago, Los Angeles values. It will contain one by one each values. I am using here figure function, plot function, title function to display the title, X label to display these names, X and Y labels. In plot function I am giving days, temperatures, and here I am giving marker as S. We'll see while displaying how it displays. And here file name is equals to, we are using F string to define the file name. It will consider the city name and it will convert that city name into lower by using lower function. And if there is any space in the name of the city, it will replace with underscore. For example, if it is considering New York, all these capital letters will become small and this space will be replaced with underscore. In this way, name of the city will be taken as file name. And we are using save file function and we are passing this file name which we define now with DPI is equals to 200 is nothing but to specify resolution as 200 dots per inch. And we are using close function to close the current figure window. If I run this code, you can see here New York times PNG. This is our first city and you can see here these are the three images that we have saved now with respect to different cities names. This is for Chicago. You can see here how we converted the names of cities into file name by using underscore by replacing space with underscore and converting all uppercase to lowercase. You can see the data point here. We have used marker as yes. It is giving square shape here. I hope you understood this method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.